Hello everybody, welcome back to Kiddo Quest. It's toy review time. Today we're checking out Titanium Dragonoid and Titanium Nillious from Bakugan. Let's start with Titanium Dragonoid. Here's the packaging. It looks awesome. I'll flip it around to the side, show you the different decals. Watch out for the glare. Check out the back here. It's awesome packaging. Yeah. Okay. Let's open up this card pack first. We always have to get through the boring stuff first. That's a Roblox code, so we'll save that for later, put it to the side. It's got the name of the Bakugan on it. Flip this around so you can see the other side. Back to the front. Watch out for the glare. And here's a magnetic cord, of course. That activates the Bakugan. That's a nice design for that. Okay, now let's move on to the star of the show, the Bakugan itself. This one comes in two pieces that you have to put together. So let's see how that works. That was pretty simple. Check out the design. It's a sleek blue Bakugan that looks ready for battle. And here's how it works. You roll it up. When it hits the card, it activates. Boom. There it is, fully opened. We even pulled out the feet here so that you can see the full transformation. Yeah. And that is it for Titanium Dragonoid. What do you think? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned because next up, we're going to be reviewing Titanium Nillious. And Titanium Nillious. Did we save the best for the last? Look at this packaging. Look at this black dragon on this packaging. How awesome. The back of the packaging. Nillious, everybody. Let's open it up. Let's not waste any time here. Get another card package. Best to go ahead and get that out of the way first. Another Roblox code. Here's the Nillious card, showing a picture of Nillious. And his stats in the back of it. Awesome. Great art. And the magnetic card, of course. We're putting this to use here momentarily. Set that over here to the side. And there's a close-up of the magnetic card for you. Alright. There's Nillious all put together. Very smooth black form shape, just like in the picture on the card. Awesome. Yeah, and I know you're excited about seeing this one activate. Me too. Alright, here we go. Boom. Fully activated. Here Nillious is completely activated. This full figure, and next we're going to go ahead and set the two next to each other so you can see them close together. Here they are, all set up, and we're just going to do little camera view angles so you can see the two next to each other in all their glory. Thank you for watching our toy review, and we'll do this again next week. Thank you.